Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome, my name is Claire. I've got another unboxing for November and I've got Feelunique's beauty kit. And this is how it arrives, and it's a little pouch that you receive every month and you get to choose up to 5 products yourself. So if you're new to the beauty kit, I'll just give you a quick lowdown telling you all about it. But if you know it all and you've seen it all before and you're just interested in seeing what I chose, then you'll find a timestamp down below in the comments, so you're free to flick forward. So Feelunique is a huge online international beauty store and they offer 2 types of sample services, although currently they are only available within the UK. But as I've said in previous videos, I have heard that, or I read online on Twitter possibly, they are looking into running these services outside of the UK, which would be brilliant. So as soon as I hear anything, I will let you know, as always. But yeah, hopefully soon, hopefully in the new year maybe. You might already seen my pick and mix, which I posted up for November. It's a little bit different to the beauty kit, as in you choose 5 samples for free and you just pay postage and packaging. Or it's the beauty kit, you choose 5 samples or travel sizes or little minis and you pay £12.95 and then you pay £3.95 shipping on top. The difference between the two are that the beauty kit is more higher end products possibly, or more, not so much that, in all honesty, no, not so much that, it's the sizing. You get more of a deal for the products that you choose then. In the pick and mix you tend to get like little sachets, cards, little vials of perfumes, things like that, but sometimes they do release some amazing samples, so it's definitely worth checking that out. But with a beauty kit, the products tend to be larger, so instead of like having 5 mils or something that you'd find in the pick and mix, you're more likely to find 30 mils in the beauty kit. So that's why there's quite a big price difference. It's not a subscription, you just need to create an account with Feelunique. Once you've done that, then once a month you're able to choose your products. You are only allowed to order once a month, so say if you order on the 1st of November, you will not be able to reorder again until the 1st or 2nd of December. The £3.95 shipping that you pay gets credited back onto your account, so you'll be able to use that against any beauty purchases off the Feelunique website. However, you can't use them against the beauty kit or the pick and mix sample services. There's no particular dates that they release their products. It could be weeks before we see any new ones, but now and again you will see a few crop up, and if they are amazing, really good samples or products, then I will post them up on my Facebook page and my Instagram page, which are both Diaryofabeautygeek, so that I can let you know, because they tend to sell out super fast. The products I've chosen this month, you can actually buy a few of them at this size, and they're quite a pricey brand as well. So I decided before I filmed this, I'll put a post up on Instagram and Facebook just to let you all know. Well, they're still there. They are still there, so they haven't sold out yet, which is really good. So I think that's it as far as information goes. If I've missed anything out, please feel free to ask me in the comments, but all links and everything I'll pop down in my description. So underneath this video you'll see show more or a downward arrow. If you click that, that'll bring up my description and everything will be listed down there. So let's get on to showing you what I chose. So as I said at the start, every month you will receive a pouch like this. Well, you will receive one that looks identical to this. I've got quite a few of them now. Handy little pouches. But if you're getting the beauty kit monthly, then you think you've got 12 at the end of the year. You're never going to want to use 12. Well, everyone's different, aren't they? I prefer if they gave one out like when you first sign up. Maybe instead of a pouch like this, change it up a bit, so at least we're getting something a little bit different. I don't know, what are your thoughts? What do you think? So the first item I actually got for my husband, and this is a tissue bed head. This is a mini manipulator and we got 30 grams here. Now I've chosen a few products from TG before in the beauty kit and they're really good sizes. I've had a hairspray and I've had a styling cream, and yeah, they've been really lovely. So he uses, what's it say, a funky gunk that rocks. So he uses clays on his hair. So I thought I'd give him that. I thought it's a really nice size, isn't it? It's not too far off the size that you would actually buy in a shop. Or you would actually buy this size. I'm not sure. Smell is gorgeous. So that's the first item I chose. Next, I went for a familiar. This is a Sarah Chapman Skinesis eye treatment. And this is 5 mils. And this is lovely. I received I think it was a Look Fantastic beauty box, a limited edition, yeah, beauty box, and it had all Sarah Chapman products in there. I love them. I've nearly used everything. The night facial, the day facial, the serums that I use, and I've also got this one left as well. As with all eye creams and things, you only need a tiny bit. Even though 5ml sounds like really small, this will last months. It will last months. So I thought, you know what? I'm going to get it. I like using it with the Sarah Chapman facials at night and things, so I do like wearing it. And yeah, it moisturises my under eyes, but I don't notice any big difference to like the darkness or anything like that. I prefer a more cooling eye gel for getting rid of like puffiness and darkness. I saw that and I thought I had to get it. So yeah, so really chuffed with that. Then I went with another familiar that I really like. I've got loads of these little ones now. Not all Clinique. I've got Elemis, I've got Eve Lhomme, I've got Emma Hardy, the cleansing balms, and they are gorgeous. I got a load of them down in the bathroom. Our bathroom's downstairs, so yeah, they're all in like the windowsill, all piled up. They last a good few face washes. They do last a while. It depends on how much you use, but no, Clinique do amazing one. It's called Take the Day Off, and it's the cleansing balm, and there's 15 mils here, so handy little size if you're going away, or like what I do, because I'm not going away this year, pile them up in the bathroom. Just like have a pick and mix. Which one will I have tonight? I always use a balm at night. It's no smell. There. It's a gorgeous balm. I really like that. So there's that. The last two items are the items that you can buy on the feelunique website for these sizes. Now one is £16 and one is £22. You know, which obviously is way more than the cost of the actual beauty kit all in total. So they're from When Beauty. I'll show you one at a time. When Beauty, it's a Korean beauty brand, but this is Berry Jewel Gel and Cream Sleeping Mask for younger and brighter looking skin. Swiss Edelweiss stem cells and shea butter. We got 30 mils here. That's what the packaging looks like. Pretty cool. So it's a sleeping mask. Oh, wouldn't it be lovely if it smelled of berries? Oh, ooh. Oh my word. Oh, that's lovely. It looks like there's a twist of gel and cream. I'm not sure if the camera would be able to pick that up, but it looks like there's gel and then cream, and it looks like you can see the gel underneath. So maybe all throughout you've got like a gel and a cream. Oh, I don't know. It feels really lovely. It does feel really nice. Yeah, it smells really nice. It's not strong, it's a very subtle smell, but oh, it's nice. That is really odd. It is. It's like it's a swirl of gel and cream together. It's Berry Jewel, isn't it? Obviously, it's Berry Jewel gel. I got brain like a sieve. I can't. Yeah, okay then. Yeah, all right then. So there's that. Oh my word. Right, okay, focus on what this is telling me. So this is another one, and this is Creamy Mud, and it's pore clarifying and minimizing mask for deep cleansing and tightening of pores. Pure Amazonian clay, natural peppermint essential oil, and we've got 30 mils here. Creamy Mud pore clarifying mask. It sounds great, doesn't it? Ooh. Smells gorgeous. That is so nice. I've got to be careful how I hold that. I'll just show you there. There. So it says here, on clean skin, spread a moderate layer of creamy mud mask onto the skin, avoiding the mouth and the eye areas. Oh yeah, can you imagine? Leave on and relax for 10 to 15 minutes, then remove any dirt and impurities by gently rolling the mask on the skin. Yeah, it doesn't say how often you can use it, but I suppose as and when your skin requires. So these are all the products I chose from this month's feelunique's beauty kit. The cost of this kit, including shipping, came to, I think it's £16.80, £16.90, something like that. But as I said, £3.95 then gets credited back onto my account. But the total value comes in at over £60. So I'm really chuffed this month. Really happy. When it first came out, it's the beginning of the year or the end of last year, I wasn't that pressed. There was a lot of crossover between the beauty kit and the pick and mix, so it didn't seem worth it. But I'd say over the last couple of months, it's definitely one to look out for. Definitely, and the fact that it's not a subscription, so you're not tied in or anything there. But no, I'm really chuffed to these. So as always, I'd love to know your thoughts. Have you ordered from the beauty kit recently? What items did you choose? Have you chosen similar items to me, or are you learning about the beauty kits for the first time and wondering if it's for you or not? All your thoughts and opinions, I'd love to know, so please comment down below. But I hope you enjoyed watching. If you did, it'd be lovely if you give me a big thumbs up, and if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel for lots more videos to come. So take care, and I'll speak soon. Bye.